What are the various types of brakes? There are three basic types of brakes: hydraulic brakes, electric brakes, and mechanical brakes. Hydraulic brakes, as their name suggests, use a fluid medium to push or repel the brake pads for braking. Electric brakes use electrical energy to delete or create a braking force. What is the importance of thermostat in the cooling system of an engine? The thermostat is like a valve that opens and closes as a function of its temperature. The thermostat isolates the engine from the radiator until it has reached a certain minimum temperature. Without a thermostat, the engine would always lose heat to the radiator and take longer time to warm up. The answer to this question would be: thermostat makes sure to keep the engine cool at the optimum level. It prevents decreasing the overall efficiency of the engine. What is the main difference between petrol engine and diesel engine? The main difference between diesel and petrol engines is that petrol engines use spark plugs to ignite the air-fuel mixture, while diesel engines rely solely on heavily compressed air. The answer to this question would be: in petrol engine, the ignition is initiated by the spark plug, but in diesel engine, the fuel and air mixture auto-ignites after reaching a certain temperature. What is a water jacket? Water jackets are water-filled casings that wrap around devices that require cooling. Inlet and outlet vents allow water to circulate. For industrial applications, water jackets are most commonly found in reciprocating piston combustion engines. The answer to this question would be: water jacket is a water-filled casing. The water in jacket may be circulated by a pump. They are used for cooling purposes of condensers, water-cooled IC engines, and many more.